2007 or some 2003, here what happens is, if you are using 2007 or 2003 Office, here under the file, and here you will be getting your own template also. In this templates, wherever you are using, in this more templates and all, even your template will be saved here, and it will show with whatever name you have saved. Okay. Next. So, any doubts in this? One is how to open a template, and second one is how to create your own template. Any doubt in this regard? No, I just stopped recording. See, I have just stopped presenting, Nana. Any doubts in this? Opening a template, editing it, and creating your own template. Any doubt in this? Boys. Rahul just came now and you are telling no, sir. So please on your mic and let me know how you are going to open a template. Template definition. Definitely. A template is a predefined layout that contains sample content, themes, colors, font styles, background styles, and many more. Repeating again, a template is a predefined layout that contains sample content, theme, color, font styles, and background. And a template is saved with .dotx or .dot. .dotx is for template only. If it is for normal one, then it means .dox. Okay. How to add an image? Sure. So, where you have to go? If I want to insert an image, yesterday we have already discussed. Type it the answer. Which tab I have to use? Which tab I have to use? Right, insert tab. In insert tab, where we have to use? In insert tab, go to pictures. After clicking on pictures, you can use this device or online pictures. What is this device? Where the pictures are present inside your laptop or PC. And online pictures, if your laptop or PC is connected to online net, then you can browse pictures from that. Okay. And recently, before you insert image from online and down a pic, there is a text. Can we clear it? What is there? Online picture. That's it, na? What is there here? What text is there? Okay, in template, yes, we can edit it. Okay, just select any picture you require and just click on insert. Okay, and If you don't want this, just delete the command and do. That's it. Done. Okay. This is resizing of an image or cropping an image or editing an image. Okay. So after this, what I have to do, if I want to save this as a template, what I have to do? Go to File, click on New, or click on Save As, and select where you want to save the file, and give with Word template, not with Word document. Word document is docx, whereas Word template is .dotx. Okay, and save it. This is how you are saving it. If I want to edit, then click on any templates you want to use. See here, table, some templates are present. Just open it. But before that, you have to click on create and open it. It will be open. If you want to edit this, if your document is in this form, then what you have to do, just select the text and remove it and type whatever you wish to. Okay, Rajdeep, you got it. How to edit. If you want to edit a template, just open it and select the text which you want to enter and remove the text whatever is given by the computer or Office, whatever is available in Office. If you want to delete it, just edit the text and then type the text which you require. Is that clear? For others also. Any doubts regarding this? For editing, for opening, and for saving. All the three are done. What to say, Nana? What you want? What I have to do? What I have to tell? Editing. Okay, sure. So see here. Is this visible? Tejo, is it visible? Okay. So what I have to do, what is the first step? If you want to open a template, go to File tab, click on New. After clicking on New, see here, more templates are there. Whichever you wish to or you want to edit, just click on. Suppose if you want some table of contents, okay, or see here, see party invitation is there. So just click on create. So if you want to in future, if ever you want to invite any teacher for anything, just click on this template and change here. Just edit it. Okay, whatever you want, some new year party. Okay, just click on this, and even you can select your required text. Okay, Hope this is visible for you people. And just select it and edit it. Oh, sorry. Okay. So Saturday, 21st August. Instead of that, I will make it as 21st September. Sorry, 1st August, 1st January. Street address. So, like Government Hospital. Java Scram. Let me select. So if I don't want this, you can delete it permanently. Okay, so what I will do is I will save it. So save in the desktop. Yeah, new year party.docx is coming, and save it as save. So it will be saving, and you can open your own. See here, I will open it. Go to file, go to open, desktop. Yes, new year. See here, it is open. I closed it before, now it opened again. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it? Okay. So that is regarding templates, how to create a template, how to edit a template, and how to create your own template. Okay. That's it. So your class is done for today, and I will forward the notes. Before that, let me ask some questions. So Kurshid,
Sir,
can you define what is a template?
yes, sir.
Yes, define.
A template is a predefined layout that contains sample content, themes, colors, font styles, background styles, etc.
Good. Thank you. And next, Sai Sumastri.
Yes, sir.
What is the extension for template? If you save a template, what is the extension?
.docx, sir.
Right, .docx. Good. Next, Teja. Padamata Teja.
Sir.
Can I use templates which are already given by the computer?
Yes, sir.
How can I?